Ever wondered how forum submissions can boost your online presence? Let's delve into that today. Forum submissions, often overlooked, are indeed an integral part of digital marketing strategies. These platforms are bustling online communities where people share ideas, ask questions, and find solutions. They are a goldmine for digital marketers, offering a wealth of opportunities to increase online visibility. Imagine a bustling market, full of potential customers discussing their needs, problems, and interests. As a digital marketer, wouldn't you want to be there, offering your insights, solutions, and services? That's precisely what forums are in the online world. By actively participating in these discussions, you can subtly promote your brand, establish your authority, and drive traffic to your website. But the power of forum submissions goes beyond just visibility. They are also crucial for search engine optimization, or SEO. When you participate in a forum, you have the opportunity to include a link back to your site in your signature or within the content you share. These backlinks are valuable for SEO, as they tell search engines like Google that your site is a credible and valuable resource, thereby improving your site's ranking. Forum submissions are also about fostering a sense of community and engagement. By regularly participating in forum discussions, you can build relationships with other members, understand their needs and concerns, and gain their trust. This not only boosts your reputation, but also provides valuable insights into your target audience's behavior, needs, and preferences. Think about it. Having a direct line to your audience's thoughts and discussions is a powerful tool. It allows you to tailor your products, services, and content to their needs, increasing their satisfaction and loyalty to your brand. In a nutshell, forum submissions are a threefold boon. They increase your online visibility, improve your SEO, and foster community engagement. And the best part? They are relatively low cost and easy to incorporate into your digital marketing strategy. So, you see, forum submissions hold immense potential for enhancing your online presence. Let's dive deeper in the next scene to understand how to make effective forum submissions. Now that we've established the importance of forum submissions, how do we go about it effectively? Let's dive in and break down the process step by step. The first step is choosing the right forum. This isn't about casting a wide net, it's about finding your target audience. It's vital to identify where your audience hangs out online. Are they tech enthusiasts frequenting sites like Stack Overflow? Or are they foodies, swapping recipes on cooking forums? The more specific you can be, the better. Once you've found the right forum, the next step is understanding the rules. Each forum is unique, with its own set of guidelines. It's your job to grasp these rules and respect them. This shows the community that you're not just there to promote your brand, but you're there to add value. Now let's talk about your profile. This is your opportunity to make a great first impression. A compelling profile is more than just your name and a picture. It's about showcasing your expertise and your unique perspective. Include a short bio that tells the community who you are and what you bring to the table. Remember, authenticity goes a long way. Lastly, we're going to focus on crafting engaging posts. This is where you get to shine. Remember, it's not about selling, it's about contributing to the conversation. Ask questions, provide answers, share insights. Make your posts engaging, informative, and relevant. And don't forget to respond to comments and engage with other members. This will not only boost your visibility, but also help establish you as a reliable source of information. By following these steps, you're not just submitting to a forum, you're becoming part of a community, and that's where the real magic happens. With time and consistency, you'll not only see an increase in traffic, but also in the level of engagement and trust with your audience. These steps will guide you to make an impact with your forum submissions. While forum submissions can be a powerful tool, there are certain pitfalls to avoid. Let's delve into these common errors that can hinder your forum submission success. Firstly, a prevalent mistake is spamming. We've all seen it. Users flooding forums with irrelevant content, self-promotion, or repetitive posts. This approach is not only frowned upon, but can also lead to bans or penalties. Remember, forums are communities built on shared interests and mutual respect. The key is to contribute meaningfully, not to overwhelm the platform with noise. Next, let's talk about the failure to contribute value. This occurs when users post non-contributory or shallow content. For instance, responding to complex threads with basic, one-word answers like nice or agree. Such responses don't add to the conversation and are often seen as an attempt to increase post count rather than provide value. Instead, aim to provide insightful thoughts, share expertise, or ask thought-provoking questions. That's how you build credibility and foster meaningful relationships within the community. Another common mistake is neglecting to interact with the community. Forums are not just platforms for one-off posts or questions, they are vibrant communities that thrive on ongoing engagement. Ignoring responses to your posts, not thanking users for their contributions, or failing to participate in other threads is a missed opportunity to build rapport and reputation. So make it a point to be an active, attentive member of the community. Finally, many users overlook the importance of adhering to forum rules. Each forum has its own set of guidelines that outline acceptable behavior, post formats, and content types. Ignoring these rules can result in your post being removed, or worse, your account being banned. So always take the time to familiarize yourself with the forum's rules before you start posting. Avoiding these common mistakes can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your forum submissions. By focusing on contributing valuable content, engaging with the community, and respecting the forum's rules, you're not only improving your forum submission strategy, but also fostering a positive online presence. Let's delve into some real-life examples of successful forum submissions. First up, let's explore the case of a small online boutique store that had been struggling with visibility. They decided to leverage the power of forum submissions to reach a wider audience. By contributing to fashion-related discussions on popular forums like Style Forum and The Fashion Spot, they managed to generate a buzz around their brand. Not only did this boost their online presence, but it also drove a significant amount of traffic to their website, leading to a substantial increase in sales. Next, let's consider the example of an indie game developer. They used forum submissions to create hype around their upcoming game. By engaging with the gaming community on forums like Reddit's r/Gaming and NeoGAF, they attracted the attention of influential gamers and critics. These interactions led to positive reviews and word-of-mouth marketing, which played a pivotal role in the game's eventual success. Lastly, a digital marketing agency used forum submissions to position themselves as thought leaders in their field. They actively participated in discussions on digital marketing forums like Warrior Forum and Growth Hackers, sharing their insights and experiences. This not only helped them gain recognition within their industry, but also attracted potential clients who were impressed by their expertise. These case studies aren't outliers. They represent countless other success stories of businesses and individuals who've leveraged forum submissions to their advantage. They've used forums to engage with their target audiences, build their brand reputation, and drive traffic to their websites. They've also used them to learn from others, stay updated on industry trends, and even find new opportunities. In each case, success didn't come overnight. It required a strategic approach, consistent effort, and genuine engagement. But the results were worth it. Increased visibility, higher traffic, better engagement, and ultimately, more conversions. So if you're not leveraging forum submissions yet, maybe it's time you gave it a shot. Remember, it's not just about promoting your products or services, it's about adding value, fostering relationships, and building a community. These case studies clearly demonstrate the power of forum submissions. We've covered a lot of ground today on forum submissions. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Forum submissions harness the power of community engagement to boost online visibility. They're a potent tool in your digital marketing kit that should not be underestimated. We walked through the steps to effective forum submissions. Remember, it all begins with identifying the right forums. From there, create meaningful posts, engage in discussions, and be a valuable contributor to the community. We also highlighted the common pitfalls to steer clear of. Spamming, self-promotion, and neglecting forum guidelines can do more harm than good. And let's not forget the compelling case studies we examined. They underscored the tangible impact of well-executed forum submissions, from increased website traffic to improved search engine rankings. With these insights, you are now equipped to leverage forum submissions to boost your online presence. Remember, the digital world is all about engagement and value. Happy posting!